Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I am welcome you to my new amazing project. So the name of project you can see here in my web page title drop down menu design. So to make a drop down menu design we will use HTML and CSS. So here is our navbar, and here when I hover on service, see a drop down menu is appearing. In this, I have given options in the service mission team and region. When I hover on clerk, it will also give some drop down menus. And here in marketing, when I hover on marketing, see, when I hover on marketing, see, it's again giving another drop down option. So here we have made our drop down. When we hover on it, it gives a drop down option. So to make a drop down design like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So come to our VS Code. So here I will increase the size of my, if you press Ctrl plus now, the size of your text will increase. See, it's increasing. So like that, Ctrl plus, if you press in your keyboard, it will increase the size of the text in your VS Code. So like that we have increased. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe us and don't forget to share. So please subscribe us. So here come to our HTML file. Here I have taken the basic structure of my HTML file, and in this I have taken the title drop down menu design. So after that here I have taken the link tag. In this I have linked my CSS file, which I can show you here. Here is my CSS file. So after that I have taken the div in body tag, div tag, and in this div tag I have taken menu bar class. So after that in this div I have taken a on order list tag, and after that in this I have taken a list with a li tag and with class active. So here in my list tag the class active, and in this I have taken the home, it is the awesome. Like that we have taken one more list tag service. So in this, so I'll remove this one in. So here I have taken a service option, and in this I have taken a div with class submenu 1. So we are going to make submenu in this service option. So in this again we have taken a on order list, and in this I have taken 3 lists. So in this list I have taken a anchor tag, and in anchor tag I have taken the option mission, team, and vision. So like that you can create a list in your another list to make drop down menu. After this, again we have taken on link list tag. So in this I have taken anchor tag, and in this I have taken clerk option. So in this we are going to make again a sub menu. So like that, we have taken a div with class sub menu 1, and in this I have taken unordered list tag, and in this like that we have done before. So in this also I have taken two list, design and marketing. So now we are going to make a drop down list in this marketing. So in this marketing we have taken a div with class sum menu 2, and see, first we have taken clerk uh, in menu option. In this I have taken these two drop down options, and in this marketing drop down option I have taken another drop down option. I will show you here. So here is the clerk. I have taken three drop down option, and in this drop down option I have taken one more drop down option, SEO, social and email marketing. So see, I have taken SEO, social media, email marketing. So like that we have taken mobile app option, and in this I have taken Android and iOS. So I'll show you here. When I go in mobile app, see Android, iOS. So here, after this we have taken one more option, about, in list tag. See about. So like that we have taken. So after doing this we go for styling. So here I have taken padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box for my page. So after that I have taken body tag, and in this body tag I have taken a image. So here I have given my image location. After that I have taken font family sans serif. So you can see the image here I have pasted here. So after doing this, here I have taken menu bar class. I'll show you here also menu bar class. So we have taken this color code and text align center. Then in this menu bar we have taken UL tag. Here is our UL tag. So in this UL tag I have taken display inline flex and list none, and color of the text I have taken white. And after that, in this I have taken in on UL tag I have taken LI tag. So in LI tag I have taken width 90 pixel and padding 15 pixel. And in this UL tag and in list tag, under the list tag I have taken anchor tag. So under the list tag I have taken anchor tag. Here I class active this list. So for anchor tag, I think I see to take here. So now it's okay. Yeah, it's so it's nice. So for anchor tag I have taken text decoration none and color of the text white. Similarly for active button, and when you hover on list, this color code will appear, and border radius 3 pixel will be there. And I can show you this class is active, the home. No need to hover. See, it's already in different color. See, when you hover, its color changes. No, this color is already here because it's active class we are active on home, so that we have taken. So here sub menu one display should be done in sub menu 1. So after that, in this sub menu again we have taken display block, position absolute, and background color code. So from margin 15 pixel top and margin left minus 15 pixel, so that it come down when you hover on it. See, before whatever we have taken, it will not display. When you hover on it, then it will summon will display. And how it will display? We have a style here. So your display should be blocked. When you hover, position will be absolute, and this color code will be there, and margin from top and margin from left. This much will be there when we hover. Without hovering, it will not display. So for that we have taken display none here. So I think you have understood. So in this sub menu one I have taken UL tag. So here is the UL tag, and this is UL tag display I have taken block. So and margin 10 pixel for spacing, and here in this I have taken in sub menu list tag. So for list tag with 80 pixel padding 10 pixel, whatever you want you can take in your arm. So border bottom 1 pixel dotted, and background 0. If you remove here also nothing. So border radius 0 and text line left. So text will align to the left. So after that, when you hover on links tag, the color or the text will be this. I'll show you. See, when we go and when we hover in this list tag in some menu, see, color is changing to blue. See, see, its text color is changing. So for that, so now let's start some menu 2, and in this display should be none, and when in starting it will not be display. When you hover on it, see hover, position absolute, display block, and margin top minus 40 pixel, margin left 70 pixel, and a background color code, and here with 90 pixel. So for that we have taken. So after doing this much, we will get a beautiful drop down menu like this. When you hover on it, it will display the menu options. So like that we made our drop down menu design. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with amazing projects.